Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can share your videos from GoPro Quik app. So let's go down here to the studio, to my edit, and just like that you will see here at the top right corner this arrow icon. Click on it, and then here you have share media. Now you can share this file through bunch of options right here. You can also create share link, but you need to have subscription for that. So this is the way how you can share video from GoPro Quik app to the other persons or your colleagues, your social media, and so on. As you can see, you can post it on Instagram and that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.